When you're ready to remove your manicure, it's important to follow our process. Trying to remove the gel polish in any other way can damage your nails by causing thinning and weakness. To remove the gel polish, simply use the GelMoment remover pads. Tear across the dotted line and remove the adhesive strip. Place your nail inside the pouch with the nail pressed against the moist pad. It's a good idea to prepare all 5 remover pads so you're ready to go. For each finger, you're going to take the remover pad and check the sticky side and point it down. Then double check that you're inserting your finger so that the moist remover is on top of the polish. Tighten it around your finger and then seal with the sticky tape on the back, folding it around your finger as tightly as you can to make sure there's contact between the remover and the polish. For best results, use in conjunction with the GelMoment remover clips. These will secure the pouch onto your nail without any worry of them slipping off as you move about. Leave the pouch on your nail for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your nail type, and then remove. It's important to allow enough time for the removers to work, so depending on your nail type or how many coats of polish you've applied might affect whether you need to leave them on for 5 or 10 minutes. When ready and you've removed the pouch, use the GelMoment cuticle pusher to eliminate any residue. Without using excessive force, gently scrape off any gel polish. Excess scraping may be damaging to the nail over time. Depending on your nail type, certain colors might also leave a light stain on your nail. You can buff your nails gently using the soft side of our GelMoment nail file to remove any excess polish stains from darker colors. And there you have it. Simple, safe, and beautiful.